this month of June, and this June was just when I went on my holiday in Ghana, and like tax was killing me. So I paid tax of 2,591.08. That is more than a band 6 NHS in London salary. I feel like, listen, I don't want to work again because it makes absolutely it's just senseless. That gives us a sum total of, it's too much. I feel like it's too much. Since I came to the UK, I've only had a tax refund of £94. Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode here on my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Becca. I'm a nurse in the UK practicing and working as a registered nurse in a care home in London. And on this channel, basically, I talk about nursing. I do lifestyle videos, a little bit of me, fun and positive vibes here and there. In today's video, something has really pushed me to do this video. So this morning, I called HMRC to kind of like follow up on my taxes. This is because I was expecting a tax refund, and in the middle of the year when I called them, they told me to wait from July to October for my tax refund, which I have been waiting for. We are already in October. Today is the 6th of October. I haven't heard anything from HMRC, so I called them like a follow-up call to ask what's up with my tax refund, and that's kind of pushed me to look or to calculate how much taxes at all have been paying for the past 1 year. So today is a mathematics video. I'm going to be telling you how much taxes we pay in the UK as skilled workers on tier 2 sponsorship. This is not going to be a true reflection of everybody's taxes because we all work differently. Some work in the NHS, others work in the care home. I work in the care home and I do more hours at times, and so that is going to affect the taxes that I pay. But this is a reflection of how much UK tax payers pay roughly on an average in a year. So prior to this video, I have not calculated my taxes ever, but today I'm going to be doing this. So this calculation is based on my taxes paid from September 2021 to September 2022. And as I said prior to this, I have never calculated my taxes. So I have my calculator here on my tab, and we are going to be calculating my taxes together. At the end of the video, we're going to be seeing how much I have paid for a calendar year to the UK government towards taxes only, and we see whether it is worth it or not. So stay tuned and watch this video right until the end. So guys, I've got my pay slips here. These are all my pay slips for one calendar year. So to begin with, let's start with the 2021 pay checks. So in September 2021, I paid a total tax and NI. So NI is national insurance that we pay towards our hospitalization and everything. So for tax and NI for the year of 2021 September, I paid a total of 895.79. That is for September. In October same year last year, I paid 1,068.68. 1,068.68. In November same last year, I paid a total of 1,502.80. 1,502.80. In December last year, 2021, I paid a total tax of 1,259.48. 1,259.48. Guys, so even putting just these 4 months together, I feel like it's over. I don't want to work again. But hey, life goes on. So in January this year, 2022, I paid tax of 1,502.36. 1,502.36. If you see me looking, that's because I have all the pay slips here and I'm reading from it. So 1,502.36 for January. In February, I paid 1,045.28. 1,045.28. In March, I paid 1,715.83. 1,715.83. In April, I paid 1,251.25. 1,251.25. So let me just explain how the taxes work in the UK. The more you work, the more you earn. The more you earn, the more taxes you pay. So it's just like a rippling effect. One thing has an effect on the other. So you work more, you are paid more, and you pay more taxes when you are paid more. Yeah. So every month you see me mentioning a big tax, it means that that month my take home was also quite huge, or the money I made that month was quite huge, and so it's reflected on that deduction. So moving on to April 2022. April 2022, I paid a tax of 1,251.25. In May 2022, I paid tax of 1,553.41. 1,553.41. In June, same year. Listen, my June deduction was like super mad. And this is because this is my highest salary I have ever received working in a care home. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to reveal this highest salary I have ever been paid working as a care home nurse in London. But in this month of June, and this June was just when I went on my holiday in Ghana, and like the money was good, but the tax was killing me. So I paid tax of 2,591.08. 2,591.08. That is more than a band 6 NHS in London's salary. My tax alone is more than an NHS band 6 in London's salary. I feel like, listen, I don't want to work again because it makes absolutely it's just senseless for to be seeing all this money leaving as deductions towards tax and NI. I feel like, listen, I don't want to do this again. I just want to be a housewife. So that's that for June. In July, I paid a tax of 1,789.00. 1,789.00 for the month of July. That was also quite huge. August, I paid a tax of 2,052.59. 2,052.59. That's like, it's killing me already. And then in the month of September, which is just last month, I paid a tax deduction of 1,862.25. 1,862.25. And the other day, one of my friends called me and she was like, oh, I have been deducted a tax of 700 and something. And I just laughed and I was like, listen, you gotta take it easy. You gotta take it like that because we are dying slowly. So you see the money coming into the account. Imagine you're being paid a gross income over 7,000. Imagine you're being paid a gross income over 7,000, and after deduction and everything, you take home less than 5k. That is like killing. So in the month of September, which is the last month for the calendar year, I was deducted 1,862.29. Now let's put everything in sum total and see how much the UK government has ripped me off my money into taxes. And let's argue in the comment section to see whether it is worth it moving into the UK or not. So as I said, guys, I have not personally calculated my taxes ever before, like putting them together in a sum total as I'm just about to do. So I want to do it with you guys. We are both going to unveil and unravel how much taxes I have paid. So I have my calculator here ready. And everything I see here, I punch here, and then I put that payslip away. So now let's start with September 2021, and that is 895.79 plus. So that's it. I put it away, right? Then we move on to the next one. October 2021, that is 1,068.68. I put that away. Plus November 2021 is 1,502.80. I put that away. December 2021 is 1,200 1,059.48. I put that away. Next one is January 2021 and it's 1,502.36 plus, I put that away. February 2022 is 1,045.28 plus. March is 1,715.83. April is 1,251.25. May is 1,553.41. June is 2,591.08. This June one is like, I can't still get over it. It's like killing, you know. July is 1,789.00. August is 2,052.59. And the last but not the least is September, 1,862.29. So that gives us a sum total of 18,842.9548. 18,842.9548. So this is how much I have paid in one job to the UK government towards taxes. And this is one job. Okay, so let me just explain. This is not like including my agency jobs I've done elsewhere and all those bits. Those are excluded. So any agency job that you do, you pay 20% of that also separately to the UK government. So all these calculations are just based on my first job that I have been doing since last year. And guys, I feel like it's too much. I feel like it's too much. Let me know in the comment section what you think, what I think the UK tax system is fair. If you want a breakdown or a further explanation onto the UK tax system or how our taxes are worked out and deducted, you can go into my playlist. I have done a couple of videos explaining the UK tax systems and how your taxes are deducted and calculated for a better understanding of the UK tax system. In a more separate video, I'm going to be talking about what the UK uses our taxes for and whether it is beneficial or not, and how to enjoy actually from these taxes so that your monies do not go waste. And as in the US, we do not get much of a tax refund, because I know in the US, if you have paid more taxes like this, at the end of the year, they calculate and even give you a tax relief. But here, it's actually very difficult to get a tax relief. Since I came to the UK, I've only had a tax refund of £94, and looking at all this money's paid, if I'm getting a tax refund of £94, really, I don't think it's worth it. So yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the tax system, whether it's worth it or not. Let's just put heads together in the comment section, and I wish you all the very best, really, and I hope to see you in my next video. Until we meet again in my next, is bye.